Have you ever wanted to hang out with your friends, but just got frustrated from having to coordinate everyone's schedules? Or have you encountered the situation where people get the meetup time and location wrong due to a giant mess of information in text messages? Or are you someone that just wants to split the bill at the end of a fun night according to who bought what?
Well then, introducing Groupify, our one-stop solution to solve all your management problems and make your night hassle-free. Groupify is a Telegram bot that you can easily add to your existing groups. With Groupify, you'll be able to easily schedule meetups, organize the order of activities for the day, and split the bill accordingly at the end of the day. All of these at your fingertips, no matter the size of the group. With our scheduling feature, you'll be able to find the optimal date and meetup location that will suit the needs of your group. Our event organizer feature then allows users to bid on a proposed event and seamlessly keep track of all finalized events for the day. Rejected events will be scrapped, and a master list of finalized events will be retrievable. With our bill splitting feature, you'll be able to send individualized receipts to each person, with how much each person has to pay, with Groupify calculating all the nitty-gritty details like GST and service charge. Now, let us have a brief demo of Groupify. You can access the various features through simple Telegram commands. The bot will then ask for information according to the program flow, such as the title of the event, duration of the event, and so on. As an example, here we have added the Groupify bot to a mock Telegram group, Groupify demo. When we enter /start, the bot briefly introduces itself. We can tap on the /help command to view a description of our three main features. Users have the option of doing /join, which is important if they want to be considered as a potential participant of events and bills created through this bot. Users can always /leave to leave this potential participant list.
Let's test out the Meetup Scheduler feature. We enter /meetup and the bot prompts the user for the title of the event. The user enters the title and the bot detects the message sent by the user and saves it as a title. Next, the bot will ask what the estimated length of the event is in hours. This will allow the bot to find a suitable time slot when the most number of people are able to make it. An inline keyboard will pop up, allowing the user to just tap on the number of hours. Then, the bot will ask for the time frame in which the user wants to meet up. This will determine the days for which the group members had to input their available times. Another inline keyboard will appear, and the user just has to make a selection that fits. Users will then be prompted to select which participants will be involved in this event. Tap once to add a participant, and tap again to remove them. Then, the bot will ask if users want to have a poll to decide which time slot to use if there are multiple suitable time slots. Let us tap yes here. Following this step, all chosen participants of the meetup will be privately messaged a link, through which they can indicate their preferred time slots. Clicking the link will bring the participant to a personal website. The participant can select and unselect time slots during which they are available in. You can also click and drag across time slots to select or unselect multiple slots at once. Once done, simply press the save button to submit. Once all participants have done their time slot submissions, the bot will automatically output the best time periods during which all participants are available, sorted chronologically. Each time period is at least as long as the indicated duration length previously and will fall within the time frame of the event. If there is more than one time slot available, Groupify will then create a poll for users to vote on.
Moving on to the bill splitter, let's type /split to begin a new bill. The bot will likewise prompt for the title of the bill. Let's enter dinner. After entering the title, the user will then need to choose the players responsible for this bill. The process is similar to choosing participants for the meetup scheduler. The bot will then request if users would like to upload an image of the receipt. If yes is chosen, then the bot will later send an image of the receipt together with the amount owed to the respective users. Let us type yes here. We upload the receipt the same way you would upload any other image. After uploading the image, the bot will automatically start the manual item input. Users need to input the name, cost, and quantity of the item with a space in between. For example, we can enter ramen 10-2 for two $10 ramen. We can enter more items as needed, such as rice 5-1, fish 8-2, and so on. Users also cannot input two items that are of the same name. If they do so, they will be alerted of an invalid input. So when we try to input fish again, the bot will alert the user with an error. Once all items have been inputted, the bot will prompt the user to select the payers for each item. Click Begin to start the process. The interface is similar to the selection of payers earlier on. Click on the people who you pay for each item, then click Done to move on to the next item. After all items have been accounted for, the user will be prompted to input the GST and service charge. Let's enter 7% for GST and 10% for service charge. At this point, the bot will auto-calculate the final split bill and output the split bill to the group. All peers of the group will be sent a private message that contains information on how much they owe, to whom they owe the money, what bill they are paying for, as well as the image of the bill is selected.
Finally, let us have a look at the event organizer. Type /organize to begin a new event organizer. The bot will prompt for the title of the organizer. Names of event organizers within a channel have to be unique. Otherwise, the bot will inform the user of an error accordingly. Let's name it Holiday for this example. After which, input the date on which all events in the organizer will be occurring. This is to be input in date, month, year format as such. Next, similar to the earlier process, select participants involved in the organizer. With that, the event organizer has now been successfully created. The chosen participants will now be able to propose events to be added into this organizer. To propose an event, type /add, followed by the name of the organizer you want to propose the event to. For instance, /add holiday. Enter the name of the event, after which select the starting hour, the starting minute, the ending hour, and the ending minute of the event. The bot will process the information and immediately auto-generate a poll with the relevant details of the event. Participants of the organizer can then vote whether they would like the event to be added to the organizer. If all participants choose yes, the event will be added to the organizer as such. If any participant were to choose no, the poll will immediately end and the event will be discarded. Participants can also retrieve the finalized list of events from the event organizer. Type /retrieve, followed by the name of the organizer to do so. Here, we can type /retrieve holiday to retrieve the finalized list of all approved events in the organizer. Events will be sorted chronologically based on starting times. All other nitty-gritty details and warning messages have been detailed in our README. So, with the Meetup scheduler, Bill splitter, and event organizer features, Groupify will help you put the fun back in a fun night out.